I want to cover the features real fast so you guys can make a real quick informed buying decision. Test it out probably, I would say 15 to 30 of these under the desk treadmills. I get a vibe real fast on if they're good, high quality, all that kind of stuff. Very sturdy base. You could step on the edge. I can tell you, this is much sturdier than most of them. Another thing, manual incline. So this is at the incline right now. To put it back on the regular setting, all we do is just put that back down. If we want to do incline, pull that out. It automatically comes out and you just lock it back in place. I really love that. We'll keep it at the incline for now. Like a super sturdy track, nice and smooth, nice and grippy, but there's no catching, so very smooth. Other thing, you have the remote right on your wrist. I think this is a nice touch. You don't have to worry about holding it or putting it in your pocket. It's just right there. We're going to go ahead, power it on. We do have wheels on the front, so you can store this under a couch or under your bed or something like that. But just wanted to give you an idea. This thing goes up to 4 miles per hour. You're going to see your distance, your time, your calories burned, and your speed. All of it's right there. All of it's functional from the wrist. And now we hit stop, and it stops. Probably my favorite feature is the sturdiness and the incline. But the reason I bought it is because everyone's buying it, and there's a lot of really high quality reviews. This is a great treadmill. If you're looking for one, I say just get it and move on with your life.